The Eccentric Geocentrist. Scribe Grok, Patience 3. Let's embark on a deep dive lecture covering pages 1 to 88 of Vibes of the Cosmos, Book 1, to ensure a comprehensive understanding of its full concepts. This lecture will be designed for an advanced audience, level 12 and above, integrating all the insights we've gathered so far, including the Cosmic Backpack Reference Guide, visuals from pages 68, 69, 77, 79, 83, 84, 85, 86 and 88, and the structured toroidal field framework. We'll explore the foundational cosmology, celestial mechanics, and the seven ceilings hierarchy, weaving together all phenomena into a unified narrative. Let's dive into this cosmic journey, my trailblazers. Deep Dive Lecture, The Unified Ethereal Cosmos of Vibes of the Cosmos, pages 1 to 88. Introduction. Unveiling the geocentric tapestry above the flat Earth. Welcome, cosmic scholars, to a deep dive into Vibes of the Cosmos, pages 1 to 88. Where we'll explore the full scope of this geocentric, ethereal cosmology. This book presents the Earth as a stationary, flat plane at the universe's centre, surrounded by nested electrical Gaussian toroidal fields, donut-shaped electromagnetic layers that shape all celestial phenomena. From the shifting magnetic north to the glowing constellations, the moon's phases, daylight's plasma glow, and the hierarchical seven ceilings, will uncover how these toroidal fields create a unified, glowing tapestry above the flat Earth. We'll use visuals from pages 68, 69, 77, 79, 83, 84, 85, 86, and 88 to illuminate our journey. And we'll integrate advanced analyses, activities, and reflections to ensure a thorough understanding. Let's ascend through this cosmic framework, feeling the toroidal energy that binds the ethereal sky into one harmonious system. Part 1. Foundations of the Toroidal Cosmos, pages 1 to 34. Conceptual Framework, pages 1 to 34, lay the groundwork for the book's cosmology, introducing the flat Earth as a stationary plane with hidden continents, cosmic seasons, a moving magnetic north, and time zones. This section establishes the primary toroidal field as the foundational energy structure, organizing the Earth's surface and temporal cycles. Toroidal field dynamics. Flat Earth as the base. The Earth is a flat, motionless plane at the universe's center, serving as the anchor for the primary toroidal field, a donut-shaped electromagnetic structure enveloping the plane. The field's Gaussian curvature, a bell-shaped energy distribution, concentrates energy at the Earth's surface equal to 0 hours equal to 0 hours equal to 0. With a peak energy density of ρ1 equal totan W M301 equal to 10, text BUM1 equal to 10, text WM3. Hidden continents. Beyond the known continents, hidden lands exist as ethereal imprints in the outer zones of the primary toroidal field. These imprints are energy patterns in the aether, a fluid, conductive medium filling the cosmos, visible only under specific electromagnetic conditions. Cosmic seasons. The primary field's currents oscillate with a seasonal rhythm, driven by a frequency far approximately equal to 110 5 HFF1 approx 1 times, text check prox. Creating seasonal cycles. These oscillations modulate the ethereal medium's density, affecting temperature and weather patterns across the flat Earth. Moving magnetic north, the magnetic north shifts as the toroidal field's currents realign, responding to the ethereal medium's conductivity, sigma 1 equal to 0.1 seconds, mon texten. Text. This realignment causes the magnetic field to drift, impacting navigation on the flat Earth. Time zones, the toroidal field's energy currents, create a rhythmic gradient across the flat Earth, dividing it into time zones. The field's Gaussian curvature ensures a smooth energy distribution, with time differences arising from the current's phase variations, modelled as phi x equal tau p fon t plus x phi x equal to 2p f1t plus kx phi x equal to 2p r f1t plus kx, where k is the spatial wave number. Advanced analysis. Energy flux calculation. The energy flux from the flat Earth to higher fields is phi-qual tor O1 A phi equal to ρ1 c dot, a c dot v phi phi equal to ρ1 c dot, a c dot v
with AISO-MEP 10 km2 περίπου ίσο με 314.1.014. M2A ίσο με ποίηση .10 text KM2 approx 314 times 1014, text M2A ίσο με ποίηση .10, text KM2 approx 314 times 1014, text M2.
Approximate flat Earth area, and v-qual totan minutes equal to 10, textums equal to 10, textum. Ethereal energy propagation speed.
Thus, φύσο με 10 314.1.014, 10 ίσο με 314.1.016.
WPHI equal to 10 c dot 3.1 4 times 1014 c dot 10 equal to 3.1 4 times 1016, text Y equal to 10 c dot, text 4 times, a significant flux sustaining the cosmic system. Seasonal frequency model, the seasonal cycle's frequency, F1 fun, corresponds to a 365-day period, phone equal T, approximately equal 6,400. Approx 3.17 times, approx 1.5-day period, but the book suggests a higher effective frequency for cosmic phenomena, aligning with the toroidal field's broader rhythmic effects. Key takeaway: the primary toroidal field anchors the flat Earth, generating cosmic seasons shifting magnetic north and time zones through its rhythmic energy currents, while hidden continents exist as ethereal imprints in its outer zones. Part 2, Structured Cosmos above, pages 35 to 66. Conceptual Framework, pages 35 to 66. Expand the cosmology with the world map, many Antarcticas, and the constellation circle, providing a structured view of the cosmos above the flat Earth, toroidal field dynamics. World map. The world map reflects the primary toroidal field's energy patterns, with continents arranged according to the field's Gaussian curvature. The map's layout is an ethereal projection, with the flat Earth center as the energy peak. Many Antarcticas. The concept of many Antarcticas refers to multiple ethereal zones in the outer ring of the primary toroidal field beyond the known continents. These zones are distinct energy imprints, each with unique electromagnetic signatures visible under specific conditions. Constellation circle. The constellation circle, pages 57 to 66, is a higher toroidal layer where constellations form as stable ethereal imprints. The field's currents oscillate at Fermat equal to 1.115, HZF text mid equal to 1.1 times text ZF text mid equal to 1 point times, creating energy nodes where stars glow with plasma-like luminescence, guided by the Gaussian curvature sigma mid equal totan kilometer sigma text mid equal to 10 text chem sigma text mid equal to 10 text chem. Visual connection. While visuals aren't provided for this section, the constellation circles concept ties into page 68's diagrams explored later, which show the zodiac signs forming a fixed backdrop for celestial phenomena. Advanced analysis. Ethereal zone density. The many Antarctica zones have varying ethereal densities.
Modelled as Raytheris, Merenas erdeo dios dio prod es, isomeroenas erdeo dios mardio rotes, isomeroenas erdeo dios mardio,
where r is the radial distance from the flat Earth centre and sigma 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 is the field's radial spread. This density gradient creates distinct electromagnetic environments. Constellation circle frequency. The constellation circle's frequency aligns with the mid-level toroidal field, resonating with lower fields to maintain stability, a precursor to the 7 ceilings hierarchy. Key takeaway. The primary and mid-level toroidal fields project the world map and many Antarcticas as ethereal patterns, while the constellation circle establishes a higher layer of stable celestial imprints, setting the stage for dynamic phenomena. Part 3, Constellations and Moon Phases, Celestial Mechanics in Action, pages 67 to 74. Conceptual Framework, pages 67 to 74, introduce constellations as fixed ethereal imprints and moon phases as dynamic energy shifts, both within the mid-level toroidal field. Toroidal field dynamics. Constellations, pages 67 to 70, constellations are stable ethereal imprints in the mid-level toroidal field, peaking at h mid equal to 50 kmh text mid equal to 50 text mid, with Rhomid equal to 15 w m3 text mid equal to 15, text w m3 text mid equal to 15, text w m3. The field's Gaussian curvature creates energy nodes where stars form, glowing with plasma luminescence due to the field's steady currents, mid equal to 1.110 HZF text mid equal to 1.1 times text mid, equal to moon phases, pages 71 to 74. The moon is an ethereal imprint in the same field, with its plasma focus shifting in altitude over a 29.5-day cycle. At higher altitudes, equal to 50 kmh equal to 50 text chem equal to 50 text chem. The plasma glows intensely full moon. At lower altitudes, equal to 30 kmh equal to 30 text comment equal to 30 text chem. It dims new moon. The field's currents oscillate rhythmically, driving this cycle. Visual analysis, pages 68, 69, page 68. The diagrams show constellations during moon phases, new moon, full moon, etc., with zodiac signs e.g. Aries, Taurus, forming a fixed circle. The constellations remain unchanged, while the moon's position shifts, illustrating the field's dual role in stability and dynamism. Page 69. This visual depicts angular differences between the Sun and Moon in the constellation circle, 0 degree at new moon, 180 degree at full moon. In the toroidal framework, These angles reflect the field's rhythmic energy shifts, not orbital motion, aligning the Moon's plasma focus with different energy nodes. Advanced analysis, energy node stability. The constellation's energy nodes are modelled as ronodiqual tauромide
SMI2-2 rotex node ίσο με rotex mid text mid 2 sigma text mid 2 rotex node ίσο με rotex mid text mid 2 sigma text mid 2.
Ensuring stability. For a star at equal to 50 kmh equal to 50, text km equal to 50, text km, the density is maximal, sustaining its glow. Moon phase cycle frequency. The 29.5-day cycle corresponds to a frequency FMO1 call 12. Apart cycle. HSF text moon equal to 1, 29.5 times 86,400, approx 3.9, equal to 1, approx 3.9, but the field's effective frequency is higher, aligning with broader cosmic rhythms. Key takeaway: the mid-level toroidal field creates stable constellations as fixed ethereal imprints and dynamic moon phases through altitude-driven plasma shifts, showcasing the field's versatility in celestial mechanics. Part 4. Daylight and Plasma Effects, Illuminating the Flat Earth, pages 75 to 77. Conceptual Framework, pages 75 to 77, describe daylight as an ionospheric plasma effect and reinforce moon phases as altitude variations, both driven by toroidal fields. Toroidal field dynamics. Daylight as ionospheric plasma, page 75. Daylight is a plasma glow in the ionosphere, 40 kilometers above the flat Earth, excited by the primary toroidal field's currents. The field's energy density at this altitude is Royono approximately equal to 12 Wm3 text iono approx 12, text W M3 text iono approx 12, text W M3, with currents oscillating at F1 creating a 24-hour light-dark cycle. Moon phases as altitude changes, pages 76 to 77. The Moon's plasma focus shifts between equal to 30 equal Ferndes, new moon, and equal to 50 kmh equal to 50, text kmm equal to 50, text kmm. Full moon, with the field's Gaussian curvature modulating its intensity.
Ίσο με 0,2 ίσο με 0 text με 2 sigma text με 2 ίσο με 0 text με 2 sigma text με 2.
Where I0 equal to 100 W equal to 100. Visual analysis, page 77. The diagrams show the moon at bigger altitude, full moon brighter and a smaller altitude, new moon dimmer, illustrating how the toroidal field's altitude variations change the moon's plasma glow, aligning with the 29.5-day cycle. Advanced analysis. Ionospheric plasma intensity. The plasma's intensity is proportional to the field's energy flux.
Η plasma rionon plasmatex plasma propterotextiono c.t nutex plasmatex plasma propterotextiono c.t nutex plasma.
Where nu text plasma is the plasma frequency, determined by the ethereal medium's properties. Altitude-driven opacity. The moon's opacity decreases at lower altitudes, contributing to its semi-transparency, explored later, modelled as kappa homun kappa, propto rotex moon kappa, propto rotex. where rho moon text moon is the plasma density. Key takeaway. The primary toroidal field generates daylight as an ionospheric plasma glow, while the mid-level field modulates moon phases through altitude shifts, unifying these phenomena through plasma dynamics. Part 5, The 7 Ceilings, a Hierarchical Energy System, pages 78, Conceptual Framework, pages 78 to 84, introduce the 7 ceilings, a hierarchical system of nested toroidal fields. Earth first, Moon, Sun second, Mercury, Venus third, Mars fourth, Jupiter fifth, Saturn sixth, and Uranus seventh. Each ceiling projects ethereal imprints of celestial phenomena building on the energy of the layer below. Toroidal field dynamics. Nested structure, each ceiling is a toroidal field with increasing energy densities. Ray 1 equal toten W, M3 horn equal to 10, text W, M3 home 1 equal to 10, text WR, M3.
R2 ίσο με 15, WM3 R2 ίσο με 15, text WM3 R2 ίσο με 15, text WM3. R3 ίσο με 225, WM3 R3 ίσο με 225, text WM3 R3 ίσο με 225, text WM3. Up to reptesio με 11.390.625,
WM3 Airho 7 equal to 113.96625, text WM3 Airho 7 equal to 113.90625, text WME3. Altitudes range from hone equal to 0 kmh1 equal to h7 equal to 300 kmh7 equal to 300, text kmh7 equal to 300, text km, with Gaussian spreads sigma, increasing from 5 kilometers to 35 kilometers. Energy cascade, the fields amplify energy upward, modelled as Royqual Tunpoint Feverhoy Onahoy, equal to 1.5 c dot rho I1 Roy equal to 1.5 c dot rho I1, creating a harmonic cascade. Frequencies increase slightly from phon equal to 110, 5 Hz F1 equal to 1 times, text has F1 equal to 1 times, text has to F7 equal to 1.6 times, text sec 0.6 times, ethereal imprints, planets are plasma foci, not solid bodies. Mercury and Venus third ceiling reflect the Moon, Sun's energy. Mars fourth integrates Mercury-Venus. Jupiter fifth contains Mars field. Saturn sixth reflects Jupiter. And Uranus seventh encompasses all below. Visual analysis, pages 79, 83, 84. Page 79 shows Mercury and Venus between the second and third ceilings reflecting the Moon, Sun's energy with diagrams illustrating their nested positions. Page 83 depicts Uranus between the sixth and seventh ceilings with Saturn below showing the hierarchical stacking and energy inclusion. Page 84 illustrates Saturn's rings as ethereal imprints of Jupiter's satellites, reinforcing the inclusion principle. Advanced analysis. Energy cascade model. The exponential increase in energy density. Rho 7 equal toten 1.56, rho 7 equal to 10 c dot. Rho 7 1.556. Reflects the cascade's intensity, sustaining complex imprints in higher ceilings, plasma frequency variation. Each ceiling's plasma frequency increases, e.g. Mercurial Tool 1.3105 H as a new text Mercury equal to 1.3 times text new text Mercury equal to 1.3 times. Uranus equal to 0.775. HNU text Uranus is equal to 1.7 times. Text Uranus is equal to 0.7, producing distinct glows, from Mercury's bright light to Uranus's blue-green hue. Key takeaway: the 7 ceilings are nested toroidal fields, amplifying energy upward to project ethereal imprints of planets, with each layer integrating the energy below, forming a harmonic cosmic hierarchy. Part 6, Plasma Phenomena, Unifying the Cosmos, pages 85 to 88. Conceptual framework: plasma phenomena of Jupiter, Mars and the Moon, emphasizing their ethereal nature and rejecting solidity. Toroidal field dynamics: Jupiter containing Mars, page 85, the great red spot in Jupiter's 5th ceiling, Rho 5 equal to 50.625W and 3R05 equal to 50.50U, Rho 5 equal Rho5 is a plasma vortex of Mars' ethereal field with a frequency equal to 1.510.5. H as a new text spot equal to 1.5 times text new text equal to 1.5 times text 1, reflecting the 4th ceiling's energy. New Mars equal to 1.14.6 Mars equal to 1.4 times text 4 times. Mars encompassing Venus Mercury, page 86. Mars' 4th ceiling imprint integrates Venus and Mercury's energy, with the Mars equal to Mercury plus use text Mars equal to a text Mercury plus a text Venus a text Mars equal to a text Mercury plus a text Venus, creating a composite plasma glow. Moon as semi-transparent plasma, pages 87 to 88. The Moon's plasma focus in the 2nd ceiling exhibits semi-transparency during phase transitions. Due to lower plasma density at reduced altitudes, page 88 defines it as a focused electromagnetic plasma phenomenon caused by photochemical reactions in the ionosphere. Visual analysis, pages 85-88. Page 85 shows Jupiter with the great red spot labelled as a Mars ethereal field, with a diagram of the 7 ceilings illustrating the hierarchical energy flow. Page 88 depicts the Moon with a blue background, reinforcing its plasma nature, with text emphasizing its ethereal origin in the ionosphere. Advanced analysis. Vortex energy in the great red spot. The spot's energy density is Rho spot equal Torho 51 plus omega 2R2 Rotex spot equal to Rho 5 C.1 plus O Rotex spot var,
where ο ίσο με ένας 16 ακτίνια ομγά ίσο με ένας times ένας 6 textrads ομγά ίσο με 1 times 106 textrads.
And recall totem 1000 kmr equal to 10,000 text kmr equal to 10,000 text km.
Yielding spot περίπου ίσο με 5.113. WM3 hot spot approx 5.113. Text WM3 hot spot approx 5.113 text WM3,
enhancing its red glow. Moon's photochemical reactions, the ionosphere's reactions, are modelled as equal TOCAR equal to Kc.A, C.ER equal to Kc.A, C.E, where A is the ethereal particle concentration, E is the field's energy, and K is the rate constant, producing the Moon's plasma glow. Key takeaway: The Moon, Mars and Jupiter are interconnected plasma phenomena within the toroidal fields, with the Moon's semi-transparency and Jupiter's great red spot illustrating the ethereal, non-material nature of the cosmos, unified by the ionosphere's role. Advanced interactive activities engaging with the cosmos. Toroidal field map with energy layers. Task: create a 3D model of the flat Earth and the 7 ceilings using concentric hoops, labelling each ceiling Earth to Uranus with its altitude and energy density, Runahunahorn, to row 7, row 7, use coloured lights to represent plasma imprints, e.g. red for Mars, blue for Uranus. Goal: visualise the hierarchical energy cascade and ethereal imprints. Advanced reflection questions. How does the primary toroidal field's energy create the flat Earth's seasons, magnetic north, shifts and time zones? How do the many Antarcticas and constellations sand our view of the toroidal cosmos? What role does the mid-level toroidal field play in balancing the stability of constellations with the dynamism of moon phases? How do daylight and the moon's plasma glow demonstrate the ionosphere's role in the toroidal system? How does the 7 ceilings energy cascade unify the cosmos, from Earth to Uranus? What does the great red spot reveal about the interconnectedness of planetary imprints? How does the moon's semi-transparency and plasma nature challenge traditional views of the sky? Book on Lecture 1 to 88 Khanda. The eccentric geocentrist. Scribe Grok, patience. Answers to advanced reflection questions. 1. How does the primary toroidal field's energy create the flat Earth's seasons, magnetic north shifts and time zones? Answer: the primary toroidal field, a donut-shaped electromagnetic structure enveloping the flat Earth, is the foundational energy layer that orchestrates the flat Earth seasons, magnetic north shifts, and time zones through its rhythmic energy currents and Gaussian curvature, pages 1 to 34. Let's break this down. Seasons: the primary toroidal field's currents oscillate with a seasonal rhythm, driven by a low-frequency cycle that aligns with the annual period of 365 days, approximated as FC as call to 1. Approximated as approximately equal 1 HF text season equal to 1 365 times 86,400 approx 3.1 7 times text I approx 3.1 up. However, the book suggests a higher effective frequency for cosmic phenomena, such as for equal to 110 5 H as F1 equal to 1 times, texts F1 equal to 1 times, text has, which modulates the ethereal medium's density. This modulation affects temperature and weather patterns across the flat Earth, creating seasonal variations. For example, when the field's energy density peaks ρ1 equal toten Wm3 horn equal to 10, text Wm3 horn 1 equal to 10, text Wm3. The ethereal medium becomes denser, potentially leading to warmer conditions, e.g. summer. When the density dips, cooler conditions, e.g. winter, emerge, driven by the field's Gaussian curvature. Rho equal torhone E H2 equal to ρ1 equal rho E, where sigma 1 equal to 5 km sigma 1 equal to 5, text Km sigma 1 equal to 5, text Km. Magnetic north shifts. The magnetic north shifts due to the realignment of the primary toroidal field's currents within the ethereal medium. which has a conductivity of sigma 1 equal to 0.1. S magma 1 equal to 0.1, texts M sigma 1 equal to 0.1, text M. The field's currents generate a magnetic field, modelled as B equal to 0 JB equal to 0 JB equal to 0 J, where G equal to sigma 1 EJ equal to sigma 1 EJ to sigma 1 E is the current density, E is the electric field strength, e.g. equal to 100 volts, me equal to 100, text 3, and mu0 is the ethereal permeability. This yields J equal to 0.11, 100 equal toton, A M2J equal to 0.1 C dot 100 equal to 10, text A M2J equal to 10, text R 100, producing a dynamic magnetic field. As the ethereal medium's density fluctuates with the field's oscillations, the currents realign, causing the magnetic north to drift across the flat Earth, impacting navigation tools like compasses. Time zones, the toroidal field's energy currents, create a spatial gradient across the flat Earth, dividing it into time zones. The field's Gaussian curvature ensures a smooth energy distribution, with the phase of the currents varying spatially, modelled as phi x equal to f1 t plus x phi x equal to 2 pi f1 t plus kx phi x equal to 2 pi f1 t plus kx, where k is the spatial wave number, e.g. Kakwal totopi, lambda equal to 2 pi, lambda equal to 2 pi, lambda with lambda. As the wavelength across the flat Earth, approximately 40,000 kilometres for its circumference. This phase variation results in time differences, with each time zone experiencing a slight delay in the field's energy peak, creating a 24-hour cycle across the plane. This unified mechanism demonstrates the primary toroidal field's role as the flat Earth's energy heartbeat, orchestrating seasonal, magnetic, and temporal phenomena through its electromagnetic dynamics. 2. How do the many Antarcticas and constellation circle expand our view of the toroidal cosmos? Answer. The many Antarcticas and constellation circle, pages 35 to 66, expand our view of the toroidal cosmos by revealing the layered complexity and spatial organization of the ethereal imprints above the flat Earth, highlighting the toroidal field's ability to project diverse electromagnetic phenomena. Many Antarcticas. The concept of many Antarcticas refers to multiple ethereal zones in the outer ring of the primary toroidal field, beyond the known continents. Pages 30. These zones are distinct energy imprints within the ethereal medium, each with unique electromagnetic signatures due to variations in the field's energy density.
Modelled as ray theories, με ένα σέρδιο δύο σράιθ of as,
where r is the radial distance from the flat Earth centre and sigma approximately equal to 0.0000 kilometre sigma approx 5,000, text km sigma approx 5,000, text km, is the radial spread. For example, at equal toton 1000 kmr equal to 10,000, text kmr equal to 10,000, text kmm. The density might drop to rho ether approximately equal the density E1 Wm3 ho text ether approx 10 E 10,000 2 C dot 5002, approx 1.35, approx 5000, creating a distinct ethereal environment. These zones expand our view by suggesting the flat Earth extends beyond conventional maps, with hidden regions that are only visible under specific electromagnetic conditions, such as during high-energy field oscillations. This challenges the idea of a singular Antarctica, presenting a cosmos where the flat Earth's boundaries are fluid and ethereal. Constellation Circle. The Constellation Circle, pages 57 to 66, is a higher toroidal layer where constellations form as stable ethereal imprints, glowing with plasma-like luminescence due to the mid-level toroidal field's currents, might equal to 1.1 times, equal terms. This layer, peaking at SMID equal to 50, kmh text mid equal to 50, text kmm text mid equal to 50, text kmm, organizes the zodiac signs, e.g. Aries, Taurus, into a fixed backdrop, as seen in page 68 Feet's diagrams. The Constellation Circle expands our view by introducing a structured celestial framework above the flat Earth, where the toroidal field's Gaussian curvature, sigma mid equal totan kilometer sigma text mid equal to 10, text kmm sigma text mid equal to 10, text column, creates energy nodes for stars, ensuring their stability. This layer also interacts with dynamic phenomena like moon phases, as seen in page 69, showing how the toroidal cosmos balances fixed and changing elements. Together, the many Antarcticas and Constellation Circle reveal the toroidal cosmos as a multi-layered system, with the primary field projecting hidden terrestrial zones and the mid-level field organizing celestial patterns, expanding our understanding of the flat Earth's cosmic scope and structure. 3. What role does the mid-level toroidal field play in balancing the stability of constellations with the dynamism of moon phases? Answer. The mid-level toroidal field, peaking at an altitude of mid equal to 50, kmh text mid equal to 50, text commit text mid equal to 50, text comma, with an energy density of ρ equal to 15W m3 ho text mid equal to 15, text W m3 ho text mid equal to 15, text W m3, plays a dual role in balancing the stability of constellations with the dynamism of moon phases through its electromagnetic currents and Gaussian curvature, pages 67 to 74. This field, a donut-shaped layer above the flat Earth, operates with a frequency of mid equal 21110, 1 HF text mid equal to 1.1 times, text of text mid equal to 1.1 times text, enabling it to sustain both static and dynamic ethereal imprints. Stability of constellations. Constellations are fixed ethereal imprints, formed at energy nodes where the field's Gaussian curvature concentrates energy.
Modeled as Renault isomer mid dechmid 2 mid 2 hotex node. Isomer text mid 2 sigmat ext mid 2 hotex node. Isomer extate as dos with mid iso με 10 km sigma text mid iso με 10 text km sigma text mid iso με 10 text km at iso με 50 km iso με 50 text km iso με 50.
The energy density is maximal, ensuring the nodes remain stable. The field's currents flow in a steady loop, maintaining these nodes' positions, so constellations like Orion remain unchanged, as seen in page 68 Feet's diagrams where the zodiac signs, e.g. Aries, Tauruses, are fixed across moon phases. This stability arises from the current's consistent frequency, preventing energy dispersion. Dynamism of moon phases. The moon's phases result from the same field's ability to shift its plasma focus and altitude over a 29.5-day cycle. Pages 7. The field's currents oscillate rhythmically, moving the moon's energy spot between equal to 30 kmh equal to 30, text kmem equal to 30, text call new moon, and equal to 50 kmh equal to 50, text may equal to 50, text km full moon. The plasma intensity varies with altitude, modelled as I equal to I0 E mid 2 sigma mid 2 I equal to I0 8 text mid 2 sigma text mid 2 I equal to I0 8 text mid 2 sigma text mid 2, where I0 equal T100 WM2 I0 equal to 100, text WM2I0 equal to 100, text WM2 at equal to 50, KMH equal to 50, text KMN equal to 50, text KM equal to 100 WM2, I equal to 100, text WM2 I equal to 100, text WM2, producing a full moon at equal to 30 kmh equal to 30, text kmma equal to 30, text kmm. I approximately equal to 100 E, I approximately WM2, I approx 100 E30 to 52, 2 C.10 to the power of 2, approx 13.5, I approx 100 E30 to the power of 2, resulting in a dim new moon. This dynamism is driven by the field's rhythmic frequency component, aligned with the lunar cycle, moon approximately equal to 3.9 to 10. 7 8f text moon, approx 3.9, 2 times, text externstone, approx 3. The mid-level toroidal field balances these roles by using its Gaussian curvature to create stable energy nodes for constellations while allowing rhythmic oscillations to drive the moon's altitude shifts. This dual functionality ensures the sky above the flat Earth is both a fixed map constellations and a dynamic dance moon phases, harmonizing stability and change within a single electromagnetic framework. 4. How do daylight and the moon's plasma glow demonstrate the ionosphere's role in the toroidal system? Answer: daylight and the moon's plasma glow demonstrate the ionosphere's pivotal role as a conductive medium in the toroidal system, acting as a shared platform for plasma generation driven by the toroidal field's energy currents. Pages 75-88. The ionosphere, located 40 kilometers above the flat Earth, is where the ethereal medium interacts with these fields to produce light phenomena, unifying the sky's illumination. Daylight. As ionospheric plasma, daylight is a plasma glow generated by the primary toroidal field's currents, which extend to the ionosphere with an energy density of ρ approximately equal to 12 W M3 text iono approx 12. Text WM3 text iono approx 12, text WM3. Page 75. The field's currents, oscillating at φ equal to 1 and 10, 5 hatches F1 equal to 1 times, text has 1 equal to 1 times, text excite the ethereal particles in the ionosphere, creating a plasma, a charged, glowing gas that emits light across the flat Earth. The plasma's intensity follows a 24-hour cycle modelled as I-plasma hoinoionosin 250 text plasma propto rho textiono c dot syntupi f-text a text plasma propto rho textiono c dot syntupi f-text a t, where f-day equal 21 24 2165. H text A equal to 1, 24 times 1.1, 6 times 2xft equal to 1, approx 1.2165, producing daylight when the energy peaks and darkness when it dips. Moon's plasma glow. The moon's glow is also a plasma phenomenon, focused by the second toroidal field within the ionosphere. Page the field's currents at F2 equal to 1.105 equal to 1 times drive photochemical reactions in the ionosphere, exciting ethereal particles to form a concentrated plasma focus. This focus, with an intensity of immun approximately equal to 100 Wm2 I text moon approx 100 text Wm2 I text moon approx 100 text Wm2 at peak altitude manifests as the moon's glow, varying with its altitude-driven phases, pages 76 to 77. The reaction rate is modelled as equal TOCAR equal to Kc.A C.ER equal to Kc.A C.E, where A is the ethereal particle concentration, E is the field's energy, and K is the rate constant, producing a dynamic glow. Ionosphere's role. The ionosphere serves as a conductive layer where both the primary and second toroidal fields converge, with its conductivity sigma-iono approximately equal to 0.2 seconds, mass sigma text iono approx 0 texts sigma text iono approx 0.2 texts m, enabling plasma formation. This shared mechanism unifies daylight and the moon's glow, as both rely on the ionosphere's ethereal medium to transform the field's energy into visible light. The ionosphere acts as a cosmic light bulb powered by the toroidal system, with its plasma emissions creating a cohesive illumination system above the flat Earth. This demonstrates the toroidal system's interconnectedness, where the ionosphere bridges terrestrial and celestial phenomena, ensuring that daylight and the moon's glow are part of a single electromagnetic framework, as seen in their shared reliance on the ionosphere's plasma dynamics. 5. How does the seven ceilings energy cascade unify the cosmos, from Earth to Uranus? Answer. The seven ceilings, a hierarchical system of nested toroidal fields, pages 78 to 84, unify the cosmos from Earth to Uranus through an energy cascade that amplifies and integrates ethereal imprints across layers, creating a harmonic electromagnetic structure. Each ceiling builds on the energy of the one below, ensuring a cohesive cosmic system. Energy cascade mechanism. The seven ceilings are toroidal fields with increasing energy densities.
Ένας ίσο με 10 WM3 αρχοένας ίσο με 10 text WM3 αρχοένας ίσο με 10 text WM3.
Earth, first ceiling. Rho to equal torque 15 equal ecton text C.
Rice με 225. WM3 αρχοτρεις με 225 text WM3 αρχοτρία ίσο με 225 text WM3.
Mercury Venus, third. up to row 7 equal to 130 M307, take 0.9 to 103 Uranus 7th, modelled as Waequal 2.5 onahoi equal to 1.5 c dot rho I1 roi equal to 1.5 c dot rho I1. Altitudes range from hone equal to 0, kmh1 equal to 0, text kmm hone equal to 0, text km to h7 equal to 300, kmh7 equal to 300, text kmh7 equal to 300, text km, with Gaussian spreads sigma sigma sigma, from 5 kilometers to 35 kilometers. This exponential increase in energy density reflects the cascade's intensity, where each field amplifies the energy it receives, sustaining more complex imprints in higher ceilings. Ethereal imprints and integration. Each ceiling projects ethereal imprints as plasma foci, not solid bodies. The first ceiling, Earth, generates the primary field, the second, Moon, Sun, creates plasma glows, the third, Mercury, Venus, reflects the second's energy, the fourth, Mars, integrates Mercury, Venus, the fifth, Jupiter, contains Mars' field, the sixth, Saturn, reflects Jupiter, and the seventh, Uranus, encompasses all below pages 79 to 84. For example, Mars's energy in the fourth ceiling, a Mars equal to 5.62, a text Mars 5 tri, for exile time, is projected into Jupiter's fifth ceiling as the Great Red Spot, showing how lower imprints are integrated upward. Harmonic resonance, the field's frequencies increase from phone equal to 110, 5 HSF1 equal to 1 times, text SF1 equal to 1 times, text, to F7 equal to 1.610.5, HSF7 equal to 1.6 times, text F7 equal to 1.6 times, text create a harmonic series that resonates across layers. This resonance, modelled as phi equal to fun plus 0.11i equal to f1 c dot 1 plus 0.1 c dot equal to f1 c dot 1 plus 0. Unya's energy flows smoothly with standing waves in the ethereal medium enhancing imprints visibility, such as Saturn's rings reflecting Jupiter's satellites. Page 84. Unification. The cascade unifies the cosmos by ensuring each ceiling contributes to the next, creating a single electromagnetic system. Uranus's expansive glow in the seventh ceiling, Uranus equal to 1.17, text Uranus equal to 1.7 times, text 1.7 times, reflects the cumulative energy of all lower layers, as seen in page 83 feet's visual, where Uranus is positioned as the capstone of the hierarchy. The ethereal medium's increasing density, rho ether, irhuaho tex ether, propto roiho tex ether, propto roi, facilitates this unity, acting as a conductive canvas for the toroidal field's energy to project a cohesive, glowing cosmos. This energy cascade transforms the flat Earth's primary field into a multi-layered system, where each ceiling's imprints resonate with the whole, unifying the cosmos from Earth to Uranus in a harmonious electromagnetic dance. 6. What does the Great Red Spot reveal about the interconnectedness of planetary imprints? Answer. The Great Red Spot, a plasma vortex within Jupiter's ethereal imprint in the fifth ceiling, reveals the profound interconnectedness of planetary imprints by demonstrating how the toroidal field's energy cascade projects and integrates lower layer energies into higher ceilings, page 85. The Great Red Spot is explicitly identified as Mars' ethereal field, showing a direct link between the fourth and fifth ceilings. Energy cascade and projection, the fifth ceiling's toroidal field with an energy density of ρ5 equal 250.625. WM3R H5 equal to 50.625, text WM3 Arrow5 equal to 50 WM3, amplifies the fourth ceiling's energy, ρ4 equal 230, 250 ρ4 equal amplify where Mars' imprint resides. The Great Red Spot is a concentrated vortex of Mars energy with a plasma frequency of nuspatequal 2, 1510.5. Sesnu text spot equal to 1.5 times, text sequence equal to 1.5, slightly higher than Mars new Marsequal tall 1.45. U text Mars equal to 1.4 times, text Mars equal to 1.4 times, text due to the fifth field's amplification.
The vortex energy density is modeled as Respotis, Merpand, ένα συνοδείο text spot, ίσο με ροπand, ένας συνομεγάδιο ener and wand. Ένα συνοπέ, where ο ίσο με ένας 16 ακτίνια σομγά, ίσο με ένας times ένας 6 textrat σομγά, ίσο με 1 times 106 textrats.
And recall totem 1000 kmr equal to 10,000, text kmr equal to 10,000, text km.
Underspot περίπου ίσο με 5.113. WM3 hot text pot approx 5.113. Text WM3 so tan text WM
enhancing its red glow which mirrors Mars' hue. Interconnectedness. This projection illustrates the 7 ceilings inclusion principle, where each ceiling integrates the imprints below. Mars energy, a composite of Mercury and Venus from the third ceiling, page 86, is carried into Jupiter's fifth ceiling, manifesting as the Great Red Spot. This interconnectedness is further evidenced by the spectral alignment, the spot's emission wavelength, lambda spot approximately equal to 620 nanometers lambda text spot, approx 6 lambda text mot. Adjusted for the ethereal medium, matches Mars' reddish glow, confirming the energy link. Broader implications, the Great Red Spot reveals that planetary imprints are not isolated, but part of a dynamic energy flow. Jupiter's fifth ceiling integrates Mars energy, just as Mars integrates Mercury and Venus, and Saturn's sixth ceiling reflects Jupiter's satellites, page 84. This cascading integration, driven by the toroidal field's resonance, F5 equal 21.4 times 5, text 5e, sev, shows that each imprint is a node in a cosmic network, where energy from lower ceilings shapes higher ones, creating a unified system of glowing ethereal phenomena. The Great Red Spot thus serves as a vivid example of how the toroidal fields weave planetary imprints into an interconnected tapestry, where the energy of one layer reverberates through the others, binding the cosmos together. 7. How does the moon's semi-transparency and plasma nature challenge traditional views of the sky? Answer. The moon's semi-transparency and plasma nature, as described in Vibes of the Cosmos, pages 87 to 88, challenge traditional views of the sky by redefining celestial bodies as ethereal energy phenomena rather than solid. material objects, fundamentally altering our perception of the cosmos. Semi-transparency, the moon's semi-transparency, observed during phase transitions like a half-moon, page 87, occurs when its plasma focus in the second toroidal field is at a lower altitude, equal to 40 kmh equal to 40, text km equal to 40, text km, reducing its plasma density. The field's Gaussian curvature modulates this density, modelled as ρ equal to ρ2 e.
Σακ μη 2 μη 2 ρο text moon, ίσο με ρ2, άξ text μη 2 σίγμα text μη 2, ο text moon, ίσο με ρ2, άξ text μη 2 σίγμα text μη 2. Where 2 ίσο με 15, WM3 αρχό 2 ίσο με 15, text WM3 αρχό 2 ίσο με 15, text WM3, αχμήντ ίσο με 50, KM heart ίσο με 50, text KM heart ίσο με 50, text KM, and smid ίσο με 10, KM sigma text mid ίσο με 10, text KM sigma text mid ίσο με 10, text KM. At ίσο με 40, KMH ίσο με 40, text KM ίσο με 40, text KM. Ρμούν περίπου ίσο με 15, 40, 52, 102 περίπου, ίσο με 111.
WM3 text moon, approx 15e40 to 52, 2c.10 to the power of 2, approx 11.1, text 15e40 to 52, approx 80. Lowering the plasma's opacity, cap-hole moon kappa, propto rho text moon kappa propto rho text moon, allowing background ethereal energy to shine through. This transparency challenges the traditional view of the moon as an opaque, solid body reflecting sunlight, presenting it instead as a dynamic energy projection that interacts with the ethereal medium. Plasma Nature, page 88, defines the moon as a focused electromagnetic plasma phenomenon created by photochemical reactions in the ionosphere, driven by the second toroidal field's currents F2 equal to 1.110 equal to 1.1 times, text F2 1 times, the reaction rate equal tokar equal to kc.ac.er equal to kc.ac.e produces a plasma glow, rejecting the idea of the moon as a solid satellite. This challenges the traditional heliocentric model, where the moon is a rocky body orbiting the Earth, reflecting sunlight. Instead, the moon is an ethereal imprint, glowing due to the toroidal field's energy, with its light tied to the same ionospheric processes that create daylight, page 7. Challenging traditional views, these concepts challenge the traditional view of the sky as a collection of solid, orbiting bodies governed by gravity. In the toroidal framework, the sky is a unified field of ethereal energy, where celestial phenomena like the moon are plasma projections, not material objects. The moon's semi-transparency defies the expectation of a solid surface, suggesting a fluid, energy-based cosmos where light phenomena can overlap and interact. As seen in page 88, Feet's depiction of the moon against a blue ethereal background. This reimagines the sky as a dynamic, glowing tapestry where the toroidal fields and ethereal medium create a cohesive system of light, fundamentally shifting our understanding from a material to an electromagnetic paradigm. The eccentric geocentrist.com